Starting your own business is an exciting journey, but it can also be overwhelming, especially when it comes to choosing the right tools and services to help you along the way. Today, we're diving deep into a comparison that could make a big difference in your startup journey: Tailor Brands versus LegalZoom. These two giants in the LLC formation space offer unique features, but which one is right for you in your business? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have all the information that you need to make an informed decision. Section 1. Overview of the companies. Let's start with the basics. Tailor Brands is a relatively new player in the game, founded in 2014. They started out with a mission to help small business owners create professional branding at an affordable price. Over time, they've expanded their offerings to include LLC formation, website design, and even social media management. With over 1 million businesses served worldwide, Tailor Brands has become a go-to platform for entrepreneurs who want to build their brand from the ground up. LegalZoom, on the other hand, is a veteran in the industry. Founded in 1999, LegalZoom has helped millions of customers with their legal needs, from LLC formation to trademark registration and beyond. They've built a reputation as a reliable, one-stop shop for legal services, and their experienced team of attorneys adds a layer of credibility that's hard to beat. Whether you're looking to start an LLC, protect your intellectual property, or get legal advice, LegalZoom has you covered. While both companies have their strengths, they cater to slightly different needs. Tailor Brands is ideal if you're looking for a blend of business formation and branding services. Meanwhile, LegalZoom is perfect if your priority is comprehensive legal support. But don't just take my word for it, let's dive into the specifics. LLC Formation Process. First up, let's talk about the LLC formation process with both Tailor Brands and LegalZoom. Forming an LLC can seem daunting, especially if you're not familiar with all the legal requirements. That's where these services come in. With Tailor Brands, the process is as simple as it gets. You start by answering a few straightforward questions about your business, like your business name, location, and industry, and they take care of the rest. Their platform is designed to guide you through each step without overwhelming you with legal jargon. This is particularly beneficial for first-time entrepreneurs who may not be familiar with the intricacies of a business formation. LegalZoom also offers easy-to-follow LLC formation processes, but they go a step further by offering additional legal services that can be extremely useful down the road. For example, if you're not just looking to form an LLC, but you also need ongoing legal support, LegalZoom provides access to a network of attorneys who can assist with everything from contract review to compliance issues. This added layer of support can be invaluable, especially as your business grows and you encounter more complex legal situations. Let's consider a real-world example. Imagine you're starting a digital marketing agency. With Tailor Brands, you'd breeze through the LLC formation process, then seamlessly move on to designing your logo and building your website, all within the same platform. If you go with LegalZoom, you might spend a bit more time on the formation process, but you'll have peace of mind knowing that legal experts are just a phone call away should you need them. So it really comes down to what's more important to you: a streamlined all-in-one branding and formation solution, or a robust legal support system. Pricing and packages. Next, let's talk about pricing, because let's face it, budget is a big consideration for most startups. Tailor Brands offers a few different pricing tiers. Their entry-level light plan is actually free, but it's pretty basic, covering just the essentials for LLC formation without any ongoing compliance services or branding tools. If you're serious about building your brand and maintaining legal compliance, you'll likely want to opt for their Essential plan, which is normally priced at $199, but is available for $130 with our special offer. For even more value, the Elite plan is typically $249, but can be accessed for $162 by using the link in the description. This plan includes everything in the Essential plan, plus a complete branding toolkit with features like a logo maker, website builder, digital business cards, and social media templates, making it an ideal choice for entrepreneurs who want to establish a strong online presence right from the start. So to get started with Tailor Brands, just click the link down below in the description and select your state. I'm in California, so I'm going to go ahead and select California and click on Claim Discount. Next, it's going to ask for your business name. And it looks like the name that I chose is available, so we'll go ahead and click Next. Now, Tailor Brands is going to ask you tons of questions, which you can skip. And that's what I'm going to do for most of these, but I wanted to walk you through the sign up process. So it's going to ask what stage that your new business is in, whether it's just an idea or you're already in business. Then it's going to ask when you're planning to launch your new business. Then it's going to ask a little bit of information about your business, like what industry you're in and what do you offer, whether that's physical goods or professional services. It's going to ask if you're planning to hire employees in the upcoming year. And it's going to ask where you're going to operate your business from, whether that's online, in person, or on the go. Next, it's going to ask what else you plan to do for your business, and then encourage some of their own products to go in addition with one of their plans. Then it's going to ask what you've already done for your brand new business. Next, it's going to get into asking if you want to join or purchase some of their other products, starting with their coaching program. Next, you just need to enter in some contact information. Next, it's going to ask about an EIN or an employer identification number, and this is needed to open a business bank account and hire employees. So you can have Tailor Brands help you for an additional $99, or you can handle it yourself. Then it's going to ask if you want to assign your registered agent as required in California, and you can either use Tailor Brands for $199, which renews annually, or you can appoint one on your own. Tailor Brands can also help out with compliance and keep your LLC compliant for $199 annually, or you can handle it yourself. Then you can go ahead and elevate your professional image with the branding toolkit, or you can go ahead and just say that you don't want the tools. Now, to expedite the filing time from 14 days to 2 days, you can go ahead and purchase that for $49, or if you can wait for 14 days, you can save $49. Then it's going to ask if you want to create an operating agreement, which only costs $29, which is something that I actually recommend you do. Next, we have this professional formation kit for another $99, but if you don't want or need that, you can go ahead and opt out. And then it's going to ask if you need a finance manager or if you'll manage your books and invoices on your own. And then that brings us to the different plans here. So you can go ahead and choose the light, the essential, or the elite plan, depending on your needs. Now, if you want to get the best pricing possible with Tailor Brands, be sure to use the link down in the description. LegalZoom offers a range of pricing tiers to accommodate different business needs. Their entry-level basic package is free, aside from state filing fees, and includes essential services like preparation of your articles of organization and a name check service to ensure that your preferred business name is available. While this is a great starting point, it's fairly minimal and may not cover all the needs of a growing business. For those who require more, LegalZoom's Pro package is priced at $249 plus state filing fees, and this package builds on the basic package by adding an operating agreement, which is crucial for setting entity guidelines and resolving disputes, and an EIN, or an employee identification number, which is necessary for filing taxes, opening bank accounts, and hiring employees. The Pro package also includes bookkeeping tools to help you manage your finances, access to over 150 customizable legal documents, unlimited e-signatures for online agreements, and a customizable website to establish your online presence. And at the top tier, the premium package is available for $299 plus state filing fees. This package includes everything in the Pro package, plus additional hands-on guidance from an experienced business attorney. You can choose an attorney based on their state, years of experience, and rating, ensuring that you get expert advice tailored to your specific needs. The premium package also offers unlimited 30-minute consultations on new legal topics related to your business for 30 days and any necessary changes to your LLC formation documents within the first 30 days. So, which is the better deal? If you're on a tight budget and you want to get your LLC up and running without breaking the bank, then either of their free plans is a solid option. Now, Tailor Brands' free light plan is especially good if you're focused on basic formation without the need for additional compliance or branding tools. However, if you're looking to invest a bit more upfront for comprehensive legal support and ongoing resources, LegalZoom's Pro or Premium packages offer excellent value with their inclusion of essential documents, EIN registration, and access to legal consultations. Ultimately, it's all about balancing your immediate needs with your long-term goals and deciding which package aligns best with your business strategy. 4. Branding and marketing solutions. Now, here's where things get interesting. Tailor Brands really stands out when it comes to branding and marketing solutions. If you're a startup looking to establish a strong online presence, Tailor Brands has you covered. Their platform offers a powerful logo maker that uses AI to generate logo options based on your preferences. Once you've created your logo, you can move on to their website builder, which offers a range of customizable templates to help you create a professional looking site in no time. But it doesn't stop there. Tailor Brands Brands also provides social media management tools that make it easy to create and schedule posts, ensuring that your brand remains consistent across all channels. This is incredibly valuable for startups that may not have the budget to hire a full-time marketing team or employee. LegalZoom, on the other hand, doesn't offer the same level of branding support. They focus more on the legal side of things, which means that you'll need to look elsewhere if you want to build a strong brand identity. However, they do provide access to a range of legal documents and business forms that can help protect your brand once it's established. Things like trademark registration and copyright filing. So while LegalZoom may not help you create your brand, they can certainly help you protect it. Let's put this into perspective. Say you're launching a new e-commerce store. With Tailor Brands, you could start by designing a logo that perfectly captures your brand's vibe, build a sleek website, and set up your social media profiles all in one afternoon. If you went with LegalZoom, you need to use additional tools to cover the branding aspects, but you'd have the added benefit of legal support to protect your intellectual property. So if branding is your top priority, Tailor Brands wins this round hands down. But if you're more concerned with legal protection, then LegalZoom might be the better fit. Legal and compliance support. When it comes to legal and compliance support, this is where LegalZoom really shines. They offer a comprehensive suite of legal services that go far beyond just LLC formation. For example, their pro and premium packages include access to attorney consultations, which can be a lifesaver if you run into any legal issues. They also offer ongoing compliance support, including reminders for annual report filings and other important deadlines. This can help you avoid costly penalties and keep your business in good standing with state regulations. Tailor Brands, while excellent in the branding department, doesn't offer the same level of legal support. Their services are more geared towards helping you establish your brand and maintain a professional online presence. They do offer some compliance assistance, like help with annual reports, but they don't provide the in-depth legal support that LegalZoom does. Now, let's consider another example. If you're running a tech startup, you'll likely need to navigate complex legal issues, such as securing patents or dealing with regulatory compliance. In this case, LegalZoom's robust legal support would be incredibly valuable. But if you're a lifestyle brand focused on building a strong visual identity and engaging with customers online, then Tailor Brands tools might be more aligned with your needs. It really comes down to what kind of support that you think you'll need as your business grows. Customer support and user experience. Customer support is another critical factor to consider. Starting a business can be stressful, and having reliable support can make all the difference in the world. Tailor Brands is known for its user-friendly platform, which is designed to be intuitive even for those who aren't tech savvy. Their dashboard is clean, modern, and easy to navigate with clear instructions at every step of the way. However, their customer support is limited to business hours, which might be a drawback if you need help outside of those times. LegalZoom, on the other, offers 24/7 customer support via phone, email, and live chat. This around-the-clock availability can be a huge advantage, especially if you're dealing with a time-sensitive issue. Their platform, while not as sleek as Tailor Brands, is packed with resources and information to guide you through the legal aspects of running a business. It might take a bit more time to get used to, but once you do, it's a powerful tool for managing your legal needs. In terms of real-world impact, consider a scenario where you're working late on your business plan and you run into a legal question. With LegalZoom, you can hop on a live chat and get an answer right away, no matter what time it is. With Tailor Brands, you might have to wait until the next day for a response. So if 24/7 support is important to you, then LegalZoom clearly has the edge. Pros and cons. Let's break down the pros and cons of each of these services to help you decide which one is the best fit for you and your business's needs. Tailor Brands pros. Comprehensive branding tools. Tailor Brands offers an all-in-one platform for building a strong brand identity, including an AI-powered logo maker, website builder, digital business cards, and social media content creation tools. This makes it an excellent choice for startups focused on establishing an online presence. User-friendly interface. The platform is designed to be intuitive and easy to navigate, even for those without technical expertise. This is especially helpful for entrepreneurs who want to manage their branding and LLC formation in one place without getting too overwhelmed. Affordable pricing. Affordable pricing with special discounts. Tailor Brands offers a range of pricing plans to fit different budgets, including a free light plan for basic LLC formation and discounted rates on the more comprehensive packages by clicking the link down in the description, making it a cost-effective option for startups. Tailor Brands cons. Limited legal support. While Tailor Brands excels in branding, doesn't offer the same level of legal support and services as more established legal platforms like LegalZoom. This could be a drawback if you need ongoing legal assistance or complex legal documents. No registered agent service in Light Plan. The free Light Plan does not include a registered agent service, which is crucial for maintaining privacy and ensuring ensuring important legal documents are handled correctly. This service is only available in their higher tier plans. Learning curve for branding tools. Although the platform is user-friendly, the wide range of branding tools may require some time to learn and fully utilize, especially for users who are new to branding and marketing. LegalZoom Pros, comprehensive legal services. LegalZoom provides a wide range of legal services beyond LLC formation, including access to experienced attorneys, legal consultations, and ongoing compliance support, making it ideal for businesses that anticipate complex legal needs. 24/7 customer support. LegalZoom offers round-the-clock customer support via phone, email, and live chat, ensuring that you can get assistance whenever you need it, which is particularly valuable for time-sensitive legal matters. Established reputation. With over 2 decades in the industry, LegalZoom has built a strong reputation for reliability and trustworthiness, backed by millions of satisfied customers. Their experience in handling various legal scenarios adds an extra layer of confidence for business owners. LegalZoom cons. Higher cost. LegalZoom services, particularly their pro and premium packages, can be more expensive upfront compared to other LLC formation services. This might be a concern for startups with limited budgets. No branding tools. Unlike Tailor Brands, LegalZoom focuses solely on legal services and does not offer branding or marketing tools. This means that you need to use additional platforms to handle your branding needs. Complex platform. While LegalZoom offers a wealth of legal resources, the platform can be complex and may take some time to navigate, especially for users unfamiliar with legal processes. All right, we've covered a lot of ground today. So what's the final verdict? If you're just starting out and your primary focus is on building a strong brand, Tailor Brands offers an all-in-one solution that's hard to beat. Their affordable pricing, user-friendly platform, and powerful branding tools make them an excellent choice for entrepreneurs who want to hit the ground running. But on the other hand, if you're anticipating needing ongoing legal support as your business grows, or if you're dealing with complex legal issues right now from the start, LegalZoom is the better option. Their comprehensive legal services, 24/7 customer support, and strong reputation in the industry provide peace of mind that's worth the investment. In the end, the choice between Tailor Brands and LegalZoom comes down to your specific needs as a business owner. Are you looking to establish a strong brand identity and engage with your audience online, or is your primary concern ensuring that all your legal bases are covered? Both are great options, but they serve different purposes. So choose the one that aligns with your business goals. Now, if you want to get started with Tailor Brands or LegalZoom, you'll find links to both of them down in the description below. These are affiliate links, so we do earn a small commission when you use them at no extra cost to you. And these links really help out the channel and allow us to continue making free content just like this. So if you end up using those links, we thank you so much in advance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on this channel, we make videos dedicated to helping new and existing entrepreneurs get started and succeed in business. So make sure to subscribe. Other than that, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.